Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling, the griddles. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. Its unit's entire length is about like 72 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 32.5 inches. Also, the overall heights, they are about like 16 inches tall. For this cooking griddle pans, it's about like a 24.5 inches deep. The entire length is about like 6 feet, about like 72 inches. The thickness of this pan is about the 1 inches deep. And we can see the units designed coming with 6 controllers at the front. And for each of the controller side, they have a small window for you to indicate the fire burners inside. And also this one coming with the 2 duster tray cleans and the hole on top of the units. And this trays at the bottom right here, you can slide it up and just clean it. And also the units coming with the 4 adjustable standing feet. And from the behind, they're having a gas injection, the connections. This one is about like a 1 inches deep. And also from the manufacturers, they give you regulators, and this coming from the accessories. And also on the side of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers and company name and cost sheet information too. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.